Hi Sutrapunks, hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we will understand how you can set up your Polkadot.js wallet and secure it with your hardware wallet. Polkadot.js gives you access to the DeFi ecosystem on Polkadot and Kusama network. In the next video, we will understand how you can participate in Polkadot parachain auctions through Polkadot.js wallet in a decentralized manner. So don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, then welcome aboard. My name is Digant Chadha, and on CoinSutra you get everything you need to make a life-changing wealth with crypto. If this is something you are interested in, then click on subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Now let's quickly set up our Polkadot.js wallet. Once you are on polkadot.js.org, you need to download the extension of this wallet for your browser. Let's click on extension. Now, if you are using Google Chrome, go to this link, or if you are using Firefox, use this one. I'm using the Brave browser, so I'll click on this. It will automatically identify the Brave browser. See, so it's asking add to Brave. Click on this, add extension. So the extension has been downloaded. Now we will set up a new wallet for ourselves. Go to the extension. Now we will continue and set up the wallet. You currently don't have any account, create your first account to get started. Click on plus. Now this is the seed code on which everything is dependent. If you lose this seed code, you will probably lose access to your wallet and your funds. So please do take care about this. I'll write it down this code. Now I'll confirm that I have saved my seed code and click on next step. I'll keep the name of this wallet as Polkadot wallet demo and create a password for it. Click on add the account with the generated seed. As you can see, we already have a wallet address. You can use this wallet as it is, or else to secure this wallet further, you can connect it with a Ledger wallet. This will create a different wallet address. So let me show that to you. Click on this plus sign and click on attach Ledger account. Now connect your Ledger device to your system and punch in the initial password. After that, you'll have to open the Polkadot application on your Ledger device. Once you open your Polkadot application on the Ledger device, the device screen would say Polkadot ready. After this, you will select the network as Polkadot relay chain. Now, as you can see, I can create a new wallet which is connected to my Ledger device. I'll say Polkadot Ledger demo. So we will import account. As you can see, I have another wallet account which is connected to my Ledger device. Now you have to understand the difference between these two wallets. This wallet is not connected to any hardware wallet, which means if someone hacks into this account, they can steal all my funds because they don't need any other authorization if they have my seed code. But any transaction done through Polkadot Ledger demo wallet, a physical authorization is required from my device. Therefore, it is much safer than just creating a software wallet. You should always connect your software wallet with some kind of a hardware device. If you like this video, then like, share and comment. Subscribe to CoinSutra newsletter to get a free crypto trading ebook. Further, follow us on various social media platforms to stay updated about the crypto market. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.